Hello, my name's Zoe and I'm an artist and very proud to be associated with the Elizabeth James Gallery. I've been working as an art teacher full-time for more than a couple of decades, but I also like to do my own artwork in my own time, especially because I teach students. I like them to know that it's important that you can make a worthwhile contribution to the arts, and obviously the aim is to make a living from being an artist, and if that's not possible, then at least just carry on doing your own artwork for your own pleasure and your own fulfilment. I was very excited when the Elizabeth James Gallery announced that it was opening, and I came here to the launch night and met Elizabeth. I've exhibited work here at several occasions, and I also do workshops and come and visit other artists and take part in live art days and come to the private views. It's a really supportive gallery, and I think it's been so important for the community of South Norwood and Croydon. It's been important because it can bring art to ordinary people in this area who perhaps would have been sceptical or not even given a second thought to there being the point of there being a gallery in this area. I think it's opened a lot of people's eyes. People have been in here and taken part in art activities. Other people have discovered that they've got talent that they didn't know or think that they had. Or they've come in because they haven't done art since they were in their school days and they thought that they had talent and then just haven't had time to nurture that. Being part of this gallery and working with Elizabeth has kind of helped to reawaken the sense of fun, creativity, and it also helps with mental well-being and stress relief as well, to just come and do some artwork or just hang around in the gallery. All the events here are always a lot of fun and always worth coming to. The artwork that I've got on display here was part of an exhibition that I've had working with Elizabeth. These pieces were drawn as a result of my trips to Ethiopia. I've been to Ethiopia 3 times. I'm really fascinated by the culture and absolutely love these tribeswomen. These are all women that I've met on my travels while I was there, and really powerful, strong, inspiring women, and I wanted to bring that presence, that force that they have. I wanted to kind of bring that back to the UK after being fortunate enough to meet them. The reason I chose charcoal on newsprint paper is because I just wanted to use simple materials that would be available to me if I were living and working in an Ethiopian village community like this. So it's a great opportunity to be able to bring my work and show it off at the gallery and work with a community of artists, both adults and children, because I think everyone benefits from working at the Elizabeth James Gallery. If you'd like to see more of my work, I have a website at zoeakroydparker.com. You can also follow me on Twitter at ParkerZoe2001 and on Instagram at instaparker. Thank you.